Hello, for your question, let me show you the solution of how to check the latch cable or exactly fiber on the OTDR. First, we have two solutions. The first one, check the OTDR and choose auto and choose the time and start test. Finish the test, we will see a line like this, but have not finished. We need wait. Okay, already finished. Just I said we have two solutions to check which part is the latch cable, which part is exactly fiber. Let me show you the first. We can check here. Change this event. Change this interface to the event. Push the event part button. Okay. First, we can check. Start from here is the loss is 0 or 0. The end is 1 kilometer and some. This can show us the totally length. We can check only two part. First start and the second is end. Because we only end a latch cable on the OTDR. If you have another like patch code or exactly fiber, you can add here. And after you test, you can see the number 3, like part 3 and the length, the reflect some information that just show you simple. Another we can this is the first solution. Another solution we can check here. We back to the normal interface. This is the normal interface. If another solution you can check here, the link button. After you push the link button, you can see the line, the total line of all your all the fiber you test will show here. If you have if the first just a simple this is the latch cable. If I add a patch code and exactly fiber and after the latch cable, we can check on this line. Maybe to here is the another event there show you the first from here to here is the latch cable. After the latch cable, so from here to here is the patch cable. After the patch cable from here to here is exactly fiber you test. You can check. It's very easy. This is very easy for the person who not know the OTDR. It's very useful.